Simplify the binomial x plus 1 quantity to the third power. Let's start by remembering that this is x plus 1 times itself 3 times. So x plus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 1 again. Now to multiply 3 things, we start with any 2 of them and then take that product times the third piece. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply these first 2 binomials using the FOIL method. X times x is x squared. Our inner and outer products are both x. So we'll have x plus x, or 2x. And lastly, 1 times 1 is a 1. So the product of x plus 1 times itself is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now we want to take that product times our third factor times x plus 1. So we're going to multiply each term of the first polynomial times each term of the second. Starting here with x squared. X squared times x is x to the third, plus x squared times 1 is x squared. Now we move to the 2x. 2x times x is a positive 2x squared, and 2x times 1 is a positive 2x. Lastly, 1 times both of those terms gives a positive x and a positive 1. Now as the last step, let's go ahead and combine our like terms, and let's write them in decreasing degree order. Up front, we've got an x to the third. We have 2x squared terms. 1x squared plus 2x squared is 3x squared. We have 2x terms. 2x plus 1x is 3x. And at the end, a plus 1. So the simplified form of x plus 1 quantity to the third is x to the third plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1.